So please tell us your story.
So you know that I had a miscarriage. There's no... sorry, I forgot. My father died. Power, I've got no energy left. I'm run out. My battery is like in the red zone. I think there's too much trying to hold everything together. I feel I don't want to be the one that is the victim of everything.
What emotions are coming out of you in this moment? How would you describe these emotions?
I feel a lot of anger. It makes me sad. And I'm just very exhausted.
When you think of anger from 1 to 10, 1, you barely feel anything. 10 is explosive, as most explosive. What number do you give it? 7. Okay. Is there any feelings of hurt? Feeling hurt?
Yes.
Okay.
That's maybe 8.
8. Okay. So just notice notice your feeling now as you look at this memory. And one more time, just tell us, how does that make you feel?
At peace.
At peace. Beautiful.
I mean, maybe at peace is a big word, but I feel calm. It makes me feel
Yeah. Relive it, replay it in your head. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and tell us, how is this old memory different for you now?
doesn't affect me emotionally anymore.
It doesn't affect it. Where's that old feeling of anger? Is it anywhere there or just gone? It's gone. Very good. Did you ever imagine that you could change the way you feel about an old memory that used to make you feel 70% angry, and just change that feeling to peace in 1 hour?
I feel a calmness that is coming sort of from within.
All right. That also includes if you close your eyes and go back into the memory. But you can do that now. Go back into the memory, relive it, be there again. And notice what comes out of you now that's different from before as you relive it.
And for me, it's fascinating, but at the same time, I have to share that I felt a lot of resistance.
When we started this, you had said that this problem was a level 7 out of 10 for anger. That's 70%. You also said that the feeling of hurt was so heavy that it was 80% hurt out of 100. That's 80% of your emotional glass full of hurt. That's not a little, that's huge. But your hurt was tremendous. So where's the hurt now?
At 1. But maybe not.
So you're telling Helen and me that in 1 hour, your 80% hurt has gone all the way down to 10%. In 1 hour. In our books, that's considered a massive change for 1 hour.
Yes. In my books too.